is not. I'm so tangled.
Short along.
Let's go along. Pumpkin still wants to go. For some reason, he keeps looking back at us like we're the slowpokes. How's that working out, Cancer Dog? And we're tangled. Good job, Pumpkin. Let's fix that. Let's fix that. Let's go. You didn't fix it. Thank you. What? Oh my God. Thank you. So, do we know how you're choosing which way?
Yep.
Gut feeling?
Nope.
You know the route?
Nope.
How are we choosing the way?
The park's a big square. We're just walking around the outside of the square,
So we're just gonna make 4 lefts?
basically. And when we're tired of walking, instead of just following the outside, we just go back to the middle. The truck's right over there.
Oh,
So don't forget,
I thought it was over that way.
that is not over.
Trusting your instincts, realize that knowing looks different to each. When living authentic, do more exploring, deeper than knowing just what is essential for life that is thriving. Go deep, mute out the chatter, feel it, burn off the fire, let go until there's peace to your core. Live a life you adore. Silence the noise away from the program, removing performance, true self, all that's standing. Live free from worry, live by just being, power and finding your wholeness in now. Go deep, mute out the chatter, feel it, burn off the fire, let go until there's peace to your core. Live a life you adore. Live a life you adore. Goldie, mute out the chatter, feel it, burn off the fire, let go until there's peace to your core. Live a life you adore.
Pretty sure we want Burr Tran Trail, right?
I don't know.
Alright, so we were going the right way. just somehow ended up on a different trail, but still looped the same way. Good walk, baby. High five. Good doggos. Thermals worked great. Definitely get yourselves a pair if you're outdoorsy. With that, I'll see you guys soon. Bye.